We Gusta Section 1. Press, recover back. Press, recover back. Mambo back step. Forward step behind touch. 3/4 turn to right sweep. Section 2. Back sailor. Behind side drop recover. Behind side drop recover. Cross drop recover. Side drop recover. 1/8 turn to right. Point 1/8 turn to right. Together cross. Section 3. Hip bump. Hip bump. Behind side cross. Side step. Together flip. Cross shuffle. Section 4. One hold. Diagonal back. Back. Cross. 1/8 turn to right back. 1/8 turn to right side. Cross drop. Recover. Side point. 1/4 turn to left. Sailor step. Section 5. Step together. Back full step. Step together. Back full step. Cross side. 1/8 turn to right back. Back. 1/8 turn to right side. Cross. Last section. Side. Hold recover. Side. Hold recover. 1/4 turn to right. Cross. Hold cross. Side together. Forward step. Count 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 12. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8.